In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to Epic Games step by step so you can save it as a payment method and use it more easily for future purchases. Whether you're buying games, add-ons, or other content through Epic Games, connecting PayPal can make the checkout process much faster and more convenient. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer, or if you prefer, you can go to the Epic Games website in your browser. Once you're on the launcher or the website, go ahead and log in to the Epic Games account that you want to connect with PayPal. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because the payment method will be linked to that specific profile. After you're signed in, look for your account settings. On the website, this is usually found by clicking your profile icon or account name and then navigating into the account area. Inside your account settings, find the section for payment settings. This is where Epic Games stores and manages the payment methods connected to your account. Once you're in payment settings, you should see an option to add or select a payment method. Choose PayPal from the list. When you select PayPal, Epic Games will usually redirect you to the PayPal login screen so you can connect your account securely. At this point, enter your PayPal email and password, then sign in to approve the connection. After logging into PayPal, you may be asked to confirm that you want Epic Games to use PayPal as a payment method. Review the details carefully, and if everything looks correct, confirm and continue. This step is important because it authorizes Epic Games to save and use PayPal for purchases on your account. Once the authorization is complete, return to Epic Games and make sure you save the payment method. If there is a save or confirm button, click it to finish the process. After that, PayPal should now be linked to your Epic Games account and available when you go to checkout. If you want to double check that everything worked, you can revisit your payment settings and confirm that PayPal appears as a saved payment option. This is a good way to make sure the connection was successful before you try making a purchase. And that's it. You've now learned how to link your PayPal account to Epic Games. It's a quick process once you know where to go, and it can save you time whenever you buy something through your account. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.